let's do an unboxing of this multi-tool. This is the fuel one. I tried many brands, Bosch, DeWalt, Richard, and this is the best one that you can get your hands on. So this is the model, as you can see here, 2836-20. So I have a sticker, but I got to remove it, so at least you can see something. So it says the fastest cutting. Yes, I can prove that. This cuts very, very fast. And the vibration is minimum, so much better than DeWalt, the Richard, and Bosch. So this is the best brand. The only thing why I bought another one, because the other one that I had just like this, it died. So I had to send it to warranty, so it's under warranty. But you know, if something happens, I have to go use it again, and I have to go to a customer. I cannot, you know, work without this. So as you can see here, it comes with this blade for wood. Here we have a few adapters and a few things. So now I'm going to show you everything that comes with it. So if you have to buy one of these are very good. Like I said, to me, it's one of the best ones that you can get. As you can see here, we have the other brand, the yellow one. It says Milwaukee, you know, the vibration. Here we have the blue one, I think is Bosch. And here we have a few other things. I think I did another video about this. So for metal, wood, almost anything, this is the best brand. At least for fastest speed. It's not going to last, at least mine didn't even last a year and it stopped working. But at least for 5 years you can have this running. So as you can see here, we have here on the top, it says the multi-tool. We have these adapters. It says the sanding sheets, the padding, the adapter. And I never had to use something like that. Mostly I use this just to cut it, wood cutting blade, and that's it. So, and you have to use your own battery. So usually they don't come with any battery or anything like that. So as usual, I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, or anything like that, just let me know and I can send it to you. So as I think here will be the fastest way to open it. Now, let's take this bad boy out of the box. Too much cardboard. All right, so here we have the adapter. I think maybe for small things, you know, it might be okay. Usually I don't have to use them. I have just a hand sander, and it works great, at least for my case. I'm going to leave this here. I'm going to put it elsewhere. So as you can see here, you have the handle. I don't like much this mechanism. I prefer the one that, at least the best mechanism that I've seen, you know, the locking mechanism for blades. DeWalt. To me, DeWalt is the best one in that case, but cutting speed is very, very slow. Here, you have to do multiple things. So you have to, first of all, you have to open this like that, open it all the way, and then you have to untie this just a little bit, as you can see here, and then you put the blade like that, close it, and then close this here, and that's it. And it works. I don't have the battery handy. I have it in my cargo van, and I mean it works very, very good. You know, the good thing is you can have your fingers like this here, and it's not going to cut. Only thing that is going to cut whatever you see. You see, you put in front of it. Like I said, for instance, the DeWalt. The best thing about DeWalt is that you push here, and then it will open this up, and then you can exchange the blade very easily. Or even you have the Richard. The Richard, it comes with a piece like that you can just slide on the side, lift it up, put the new blade, and that's it. This one is, I mean, it takes longer to do this job. At least that is the problem that I see with this tool. And then you have the Bosch. The Bosch, I like it as well. You have a handle here on the side that you move it like that, and then you can insert the blade. So and another thing about this is, besides that, why I keep buying this, even if it doesn't last that much, is because it's very fast. And here you have a function that you can run it in automatic. Or otherwise, if you want like just a constant speed, you can just set it in the speed that you want, and that's it. In my case, I leave it in automatic all the time, and it works very well. Here you can turn it on and off, and that's it. So if you want me to do some testing or anything like that, please let me know in the section below. But at least if you have to buy something like that, you know how it is and what comes with it. If you have any question, again, let me know in the section below, and see you next time. All right, as you can see here, we have the DeWalt. So the DeWalt, the system is the best one that I know. So all you have to do, push like that, put the blade here, and that's it. Very easy. So the only reason I didn't bought this one is because it's slow to cut. I mean, if you compare it with Milwaukee, that is why I prefer this as a locking mechanism for the blade, but for speed, it sucks. So that is why I keep buying Milwaukee.